Mamedi already told you that it's we as our BJP Assam Pradesh, we condemn the incident that happened in Meghalaya yesterday. Some miscreants in the name of Khasi Students Union, they have attacked our vehicles. Our means the vehicles that had Assam registration. The question here is, you see, always the people of Assam or the vehicles that bear Assam registration are in the receiving end. It is very sad to see that. We have also noticed about 11 months back the same happened. Uh, Whenever they attack the vehicles which has our registration, our Assam registration. See, one thing I want to tell you, and everybody knows that the northeastern states, we call ourselves as eight sisters. The eight sisters, Hat Dhoni. I don't think in any other parts of India a term of like brothers and sisters is used. Only we use it as far as the northeastern states is concerned. So to witness such violent activity, and especially to the tourists and also to the vehicles which bear Assam registration, especially, is really condemning, and it's a very sad thing. And I also would like to add here is that we, the people of Assam, is also a promoter or an ambassador of Northeast tourism. Whenever we go outside Assam to any parts of India, we tell everybody that you have to visit Shillong, you have to visit Meghalaya. There are many tourists that you may be also knowing that they always they want to come to Kaziranga, but we advise them along with Kaziranga, you please visit Shillong also. So we always have that cordial relationship, but it's very sad to see these types of things happening, and it's quite frequent now because last 11 months back also we have seen that again before that also, and again I am repeating it. The receiving end is always our the vehicles that bear Assam registration. And also, I would request government of Assam and government of Meghalaya to take strict action against the culprits and to punish them also. And moreover, when such things again happen in the future, I would also request the Meghalaya police to actively act and solve the problems. Thank you. Thank you so much.